Sheriff, I know you're a busy man. Trust me, I know heavy weighs the crown that you're carrying. I gotta ask you, did you find that YouTuber yet?
YouTuber? I got bigger fish to fry than the YouTubers. Hey, someone parked their car on Miss Johnson's lawn, and I swear, if that wasn't a job for the city sheriff, I don't know what it is.
Sheriff, you got bigger fish to fry. You gotta get your boots on the ground. You gotta check high and low.
We looked for this, but Carlos, I'm gonna tell you, we looked for the kid, alright? His YouTube's been dead a couple weeks, but he's pulled this stunt a trillion times. We've been in and out of the abandoned lots, the houses, everything we can. We've been everywhere looking for the boy, and he just ain't coming up.
There's your problem though, Sheriff. You didn't check the most important parts. You checked the ranch.
The old ranch, the road's been flooded out for 4 years. There's no way the kid got across it.
Sheriff, I know to you, I'm just a simple man from Arlen. I've been to Borgia, I've been to San Antonio, I've even been out to Dallas. And I'll tell you something, there's things here in Texas that you just can't explain, son, so you gotta get out there.
Alright, I get it. Alright, you done this. You're better than me. You're the legendary sheriff. You're the man. And I'm just your hopeless replacement. But let me tell you, I'm doing my due diligence. I'm out there. I'm looking. I got boots on the ground. I just can't waste any more of the city's money looking for a kid whose family gave up on him. The only one still hitting me up about it is his sister.
Sheriff, this is something bigger. This is like an urban legend. This is like Bigfoot coming to town. This is like Cropsey himself.
Carlos, you think some big hairy monster ate him? You think some yeti out of the woods came and chewed him up?
I'm saying there's things that can't be explained, Sheriff. I'm saying that maybe you need to dig a little deeper and just look a little harder.
Alright. If it'll put your mind at ease, I got a few days off coming up, alright? That way I'm not doing it on the taxpayer's dollar. I'll go out, I'll search the ranch. It's been dry for a couple months now. Maybe I can get across. But I can't promise you nothing. I might find it. But chances are the kid's off in another city, messing around, trying to drive up likes on his videos while he's missing.
I'll take your word for it, Sheriff. Because I'll tell you what. If you're going to make me come out of retirement, maybe I'll go look for it myself.
You come out of retirement? Can't have that, Carlos. I like the food too much. I like the coffee too much. You stay right here. I'll find the boy as long as you keep making my food.
Sounds like a plan then, Sheriff.
Alright. I'm going to go get on the road, and I'll make sure the boy's not there. That'll help.
That's all I wanted, Sheriff. Just you to Put your pants on, tighten that belt, get your boots going, get the job done.
Carlos, the job always gets done. But on my own time, Carlos, I'll look for the boy.
All right, good luck to you, son. That cheap bastard. Not even a tip?
I hate this coffee anyway.
Nice little spot we found. A little flooding's never stopped me, but this Texas humidity might. Man, guys, that hike was almost as intense as when we were in Colorado. Remember that one? Check this out. You can tell this used to be a working ranch at one point. Looks like we got more property to scope out. Let's go!
Do you remember when he did this last time? He was gone for a month and nobody batted an eye.
We don't need a history lesson right now.
Like, Dusty, you're really not going to back me up here? Are we going to act like there wasn't 30 people pulled from here?
We're not going to talk about all the murders that's gone out here. We're going to stay on the task at hand, find Jonah.
Here. I think this is his late. I think he lives here. I think he saw me. Oh, Father.
Gracie, you got anything for me?
The last named parcel owner was a Vilmer Slaughter.
Did you say Slaughter?
The only other name I have on the paperwork is a W.E. Slaughter. Guess is as good as mine.
Yeah, that's got to be an alias. All right, Gracie, comms open, and if I need backup, I'll call.
Everything okay, Sheriff Otter?
Well, if he's anywhere, it's definitely there.
Definitely screams Jonah.
I dare you jump in that.
I jump in there, Blake. I'm gonna get one of those parasites up my pee hole.
Urethra.
Tomato, man.
I don't think America has any of those parasites.
If anywhere in America is gonna have those parasites, it's right here in Texas. I'm gonna head back towards the river, Blake. I saw some buildings on the way here.
You didn't say anything?
Figured we'd stop here, we'd split up a couple more ground, maybe pick up something Jonah left or some traces.
By yourself.
I'm Big Dust, Blake. I'm Big Dust. I can take care of myself. I came here to take care of you guys. I've been hiking all over the world. Everest, Chichen Itza, played rugby. I went to nationals several times over.
Trust me, I remember. And just call it European football, please.
I'll take care of me. Blake, take care of yourself, brother.
What is this place, man?
Jonah! Jonah! Freaking out your sister! Come on out, Jonah! Stop playing these games, man! I'm gonna walk all the way out here. So hot. Jonah! Jonah! You back there? Jonah. Jonah, you in here? Come on out, man. What a sick monkey farm is this place? Jonah, why would you come here? What? Jonah! Fuck you! The best you got, Pansy! You motherfucker!
What are you doing?
This is a lost cause.
You don't know that.
I can't believe we let her convince us to come out here. What if we do find him? What if he's dead?
I don't know.
None of us do.
Look, I'll trail up ahead. I'll look it up real quick. If I find nothing, I'll come back. We both will go back.
We are a literal stone's throw away from the Texas killing fields. Just please hurry back, okay?
What? You split up. They've never seen a movie before. You never split up. And I let them let us split up. This is not smart of me. You're more impressive than I am, that's for sure. Whoa. Now that looks like a place Jonah would go. Oh, let's see. Oh, for sure. Yeah. Stunt's definitely here. Jonah, where are you? I hate when you do this stuff. Come on.
Jonah, come on! Everyone's looking for you, man. What the hell?
God damn.
What the fuck?
He's out here! He'll kill us! Who's out here?
What the hell are you doing, girl? Get the hell out of here!
Get the fuck up. Come on.
What fucking happened?
Come on. I got you.
Give me my gun back.
Yeah, when you actually kill someone, you can have it back.